In this video, we review the best wood glues available, comparing their strengths, uses, and performance to help you choose the right adhesive for your woodworking projects, repairs, and creative endeavors. Stay tuned for expert recommendations. Not all wood glues are created equal. If you need a strong, reliable adhesive for your next project, Gorilla Wood Glue is a top-tier choice. This PVA-based glue cures to a natural tan color, seamlessly blending with hardwoods, softwoods, and wood composites. It's also water-resistant, meeting ANSI/HPVA Type 2 standards, so it's great for both indoor and outdoor applications. With a quick 20 to 30-minute clamp time and full cure in 24 hours, it won't slow you down. Unlike some glues, it doesn't foam, ensuring a clean bond line that's sandable and paintable. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Just use warm water before it dries. Whether you're repairing furniture, crafting, or tackling a big woodworking project, this glue delivers a Gorilla Tough Bond. At around $15 for a 36-ounce bottle, it's an affordable must-have for any woodworker's toolkit. Hey, we have plenty of options for wood glue, but not all of them offer true waterproof performance. What we like about Titebond polyurethane glue is its versatility. It bonds wood, metal, ceramics, plastics, and even stone, making it a go-to choice for tough projects. With epoxy-like strength, it delivers a rock-solid hold without the hassle of mixing. The 30-minute working time gives you enough flexibility to position your pieces, and with a 45-minute clamp time, you won't be waiting all day for it to set. Plus, its 100% waterproof formula meets ANSI Type Y and 2 water-resistant standards, so it's just as effective for outdoor projects as it is for indoor repairs. At the moment, the 4-ounce size is unavailable, but you can still find it in an 8-ounce bottle if you need a reliable adhesive for your next project. Our top pick for a fast-setting epoxy is JB Weld Clear Weld. This 2-part adhesive delivers 3,900 pounds per square inch of tensile strength, creating a rock-solid bond on metal, wood, plastic, concrete, ceramic, tile, fiberglass, and more. The dual syringe design ensures an easy 1-to-1 mix ratio, and the resealable cap prevents drying out between uses. With a quick 5-minute set time and full cure in just 1 hour, it's perfect for both emergency repairs and precision projects. Unlike some epoxies, it dries clear, leaving behind a clean, professional finish. You can grab a 2-pack of the 25-milliliter syringes for around $15, making it an affordable addition to any toolbox. Thin CA glues offer incredible versatility, and Starbond Superfast Thin is one of the best options out there. With a water-thin 2 to 3 CP's viscosity, it penetrates deep into cracks, stabilizes delicate materials, and creates a flawless high-gloss CA finish. It sets in under 5 seconds without an accelerator and bonds instantly when used with one. Designed for woodturners, hobbyists, and craftsmen, it works on wood, glass, metal, ceramics, leather, and even rubber. The included micro-tips help with precision applications, and the clog-free stopper prevents waste. If stored below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, Starbond guarantees a 30-month shelf life, giving you plenty of time to use it. A 2-ounce bottle costs around $14, but larger sizes are available if you need more. Titebond. Genuine hide glue is a go-to choice for professional woodworkers and restorers, offering impressive strength and a longer assembly time. This liquid formula requires no mixing, heating, or stirring, making it incredibly easy to use. It's perfect for fine furniture restoration, musical instrument repair, and crafting projects. One standout feature is its ability to create a unique crackling effect on wood, adding character to your projects. With excellent sandability and superior creep resistance, this glue won't let you down, even in high-stress applications. The best part? It's also moisture sensitive, allowing for easy disassembly of parts, ideal for antique restoration. A 16-ounce bottle is available for around $14.99, making it an affordable yet highly effective solution for delicate repairs in woodworking. Whether you're working on a family heirloom or a craft project, Titebond Genuine Hide Glue is a reliable choice that delivers outstanding results every time.